So, let's go to Italy. Tonight, I'll be traveling on ITA Airways Airbus A350 from Miami, Florida to Rome, Italy. A journey that's going to take me 9 hours across the Atlantic Ocean. I'm flying in economy tonight in seat 39A. The leg space provided was better than I anticipated, and when I got to my seat, a pillow and blanket was provided, of which I didn't use. In front, you'll see there's a decent sized IFE screen, which I'll talk more about later. In the seat back pocket, you'll see a rather compact safety card that you must look over. And above, you'll see the typical air nozzles and light switch for passengers. When boarding, the crew will play music that can range from Italian tunes or modern hits, any of which sets a good tune on board, for the most part.
Talk to you later, okay? Love you. Hey, it's not right now.
As we began pushback, a safety demonstration video played, and honestly it's one of my favorites. It's featuring notable athletes from Italy, of which you can view on YouTube. Our departure was delayed just a bit, but finally we are on our way. Sometime after departure, while at the same time my air started to pop, the onboard service began. They had a choice for either chicken or pasta, and I of course went with pasta, alongside a cold salad, bread loaf, crackers, butters, and a chocolate mousse for dessert. And yes, I finished it all. I was hungry. Since this is a red-eye flight, the cabin lights were dimmed after service so passengers can rest as much as they can, but I wanted to explore the IFE a bit. The screen is responsive and there's a good collection of movies, TV shows, music, games and such that can help time fly. But most of my time I was using the in-flight map. However, I played just one movie that helped me drift off to sleep with the earphones the crew provided for free. After 2 hours, I woke up not in the best of moods. With still about 4 hours left in the flight, I went to check the onboard Wi-Fi, which is free to a degree. It didn't work most of the time while using it though. As we began to fly over mainland Spain, the cabin lights came alive, and shortly after, the cabin crew began breakfast, consisting of a ham sandwich, bread loaf, soft cookies, and a granola bar. I only ate the sandwich and I saved the rest for later, whilst at the same time my air started to pop again.
Gentlemen, the captain informed you that the now approaching Rome Fiumicino Airport, where we expect to land in approximately 25 minutes. Weather conditions on the ground are partially cloudy and temperature is 15 degrees Celsius.
And now we're starting our descent. I must say, for my first time traveling across the Atlantic, it was not that bad, and ITA crew was great despite the language barrier. Would I ever fly them again? Maybe, just under a different scenario. If you know, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, mobile telephone. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on. Recommend you to open the overlock carefully and set the seatbelt for later. Please don't forget your personal belongings in the seat pocket in front of you. Please reach the exit maintaining the correct distance in order to avoid gathering. Before leaving the aircraft, we can request you to store the remote control in its socket. Passengers remind the requested assistant to remain seated until this embarkation is completed. Thank you for flying with ITA Airways. We apologize for our delay and we look forward to seeing you again for the very near future. Arrivederci.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.
And now I have a connecting flight. Let's see how long this can take.
I see you soon. You'll see why.